Governo República Bangladesh se serviço remoto com Timor-Leste, onde combate o problema mudança climática, inclui assunto segurança alimentar.
Ministro Negócio Estrangeiro Bangladesh Abdul Momen halau encontro com o primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Gusmão e a Palácio Governo dele. Turi Abdul Momen, Timor-Leste no Bangladesh, nessa nação deve contribuir para a emissão carbono dioxida. Mínimo tebe estangne, Bangladesh sacar serviço mútuo com o governo Timor. O sama bele combate a mudança climática. Não mostra apoio Timor-Leste para resolver o problema de insegurança aihan.
World Health Organization for Asia. Timor-Leste will participate in voting for her election in October. And of course, in the meeting, we saw that the minister opened the door to us to know better the improvement in many areas, many sectors in Bangladesh. But I was astonished because I knew for the first time that the small country of Bangladesh has 170 million, but they succeeded. Her mother is the Prime Minister. They succeeded to be a dynamic country in economy, human resources, in many areas that we have to live. Of course, we are not similar. We are plain, we are mountainous, but what they did there, or they are doing there, it is a very good example for Timor-Leste to have a knowledge of their commitment, their capacity to do what best for the people. That is why.
E a fatinha nessa primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Gusmão afirma: o governo Bangladesh loke ora mata a nação Timor-Leste, onde hatene sirane desenvolvimento e a setor oigoin.
And we are so much delighted to meet such a great personality. Maybe only living person in the world at this stage who really liberated that country and trying to achieve his vision of a prosperous Timor-Leste. Same with us, in our country, our father of the nation, our grandfather, who is our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He sacrificed his entire young life, almost 14 years inside jail. But in the long run, he liberated the country. Not without sacrifice. We shed around 3 million lives to achieve our independence. And he had another vision to look forward. He was looking forward to prosperous Bangladesh. Unfortunately, he was killed mercilessly in a military coup. Not only he, his entire family, almost or totally 18%. Only 4 people survived. 2 of his daughters, one is currently the Prime Minister, and her younger sister, these 2, they survived because they are abroad at the time. And Prime Minister's 2 daughters, one is this, one daughter, one son. They are with her, so that's why, they survived. We are lucky that Sheikh Hasina, our Prime Minister, she survived. After the killing of her father, for almost 6 years, she could not return home. But after 6 years, she returned home, struggled for 21 years, and finally formed her government. And once she formed the government, she, because till then there was a rule in Bangladesh, indemnity rule, that you cannot sue the killers, you cannot try the killers, bring them to justice. And that rule was, abrogated, and afterward we started judgment of this, which started the cases against the killers of father of the nation, as well as the war criminals of 1971. We are lucky that under the leadership of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, the country is doing very well. Over the last 14 years, our GDP increased from 90 to 460 billion dollars. Our per capita income shoot up 5-6 times now. Our trade has increased from 10, in 2006 it was 10 billion.
No governo Bangladesh mos convida chefe governo Timor-Leste a visita Bangladesh e a futuro para belejamete amizade entre nação ruane. Governo Bangladesh mos estabelece consulado e a Timor-Leste a discutir e suscita a nessa insegurança aihan. Esforço Timor-Leste sem membro ASEAN. No nesse hakar kapoi Timor nia processo adesão ba ASEAN. Reportagem Marquita da Silva, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba Emma Hotu. Atu atena informação atual dia gliu kita halua. Haneha botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no faz botão ba media social Hotu.